In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your invoice template Zoho Invoice. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to change so your invoices look professional, on brand, and printer friendly. Start by opening your account and clicking the settings gear icon. This takes you straight to the configuration area where all your document options live. From there, choose PDF templates. This is the home for every document layout, and we'll be focusing on the invoice group so you can adjust how your invoices appear when you generate a PDF. Find the invoice template you use and click Edit. If you see several, pick the one marked as default or the one you most often send to customers. The editor will open with all of the available layout and styling options grouped in one place so you can work methodically. Begin in Template Properties. This section controls the overall behavior and look of the document. Think of it as the foundation. It sets the rules that affect everything else you'll see on the page. It's a good spot to make sure the basics line up with your brand guidelines and printing needs. Next, select the paper size. You'll typically choose between A4 or letter. A4 is a common international standard, letter is the standard in the United States and Canada, and AVE is useful for compact prints like small mailers or minimal layouts. Pick the size that matches your region and your printer to avoid unexpected scaling or clipping when you print. Choose the orientation, portrait or landscape. Portrait is ideal for most invoices and fits standard window envelopes and filing systems. Landscape can be helpful if your item tables are wide or you use many columns and need more horizontal space without shrinking the font. Now edit the font. Select a clean, legible typeface and a size that's comfortable to read on screen and on paper. If your brand has a preferred font style, keep it consistent here. Also, consider character support if you use accented letters, symbols, or multiple languages. Move into header and footer. This is where you control the framing elements around your content. Within this area, open background image. If you add a background, keep it subtle so it doesn't overpower your invoice details. Think light watermarks or gentle patterns that won't interfere with text. Then select a background color. Choose a color that complements your brand while maintaining strong contrast for readability. Lighter tones typically work best, especially if your customers print invoices on standard office printers. When everything looks right, click Save. Your updated template is now ready and will be applied the next time you generate an invoice PDF.